Welcome again to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, a bit of breaking and exclusive story to bring to you right now, where we have just received reports that rapper Cardi B have filed for divorce from her husband Offset. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, it seems like rapper Cardi B is tired and fed up and is giving up after she filed for divorce from rapper Offset amidst fresh rumors that he cheated on her again and she's seeking custody of their daughter Culture. Cardi B filed the divorce papers in Georgia on Tuesday as the split came as a shock to her fans right across the world. The two have just been married for 3 years. In the documents filed, Cardi B is seeking primary physical custody of their 2-year-old daughter. The filing also shows that it's a contested divorce from the rapper Offset. A contested divorce usually stipulates that both parties involved have not yet come to an arrangement regarding an equal division of assets, which then requires a judicial oversight for this to be done. Cardi B and Offset were secretly married in 2017 and share a 2-year-old daughter together known as Culture. Cardi B is also seeking child support, even though the amount is not exactly stated just yet. Despite the two appearing to have a fabulous relationship on social media, it has come to our attention that the two have been having some serious problems from the last few years now. Cardi B, whose real name is Belcalis Almanzar, previously accused Offset of infidelity in 2018, just months after they got married. Offset was allegedly caught in a compromising position with a female on a video back in 2017, which Cardi B addressed on her social media platform Twitter. Despite having trying times, the couple reconciled and Cardi B made sure that the relationship was her top priority at that specific moment. In April 2018, Cardi B confirmed that she was pregnant amidst many rumors circulating online with the debut of her growing baby bump during the last set of her first appearance on the Saturday Night Live show. Well, as it stands right now, rapper Offset is caught in a predicament situation, and I'm just hoping that the two can just look over this problem and just try to find a way and means of just working it out based on the situation, even though we have heard many rumors circulating online that Offset cheated on her once again, but that cannot be accredited right now, so we're not going to divulge much details as it relates to that just yet until Cardi B herself released a statement about the whole entire situation, which we know she will soon. But as it stands right now, we're just hoping that the two can just look over the problem and just try to find another way and means of settling it instead of resorting to a divorce. However, we'll try our very best just to keep you up to date with the latest report that we have to bring to you on this story. This is Links 007 TV signing out once more. Peace.